Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by launching Minecraft and pausing quickly. Don't waste time. Open Settings, then head straight to Accessibility. That's where the narrator toggle lives in most editions. If you don't see Accessibility, look under Audio for the narrator option. Some versions place it differently. Once there, focus on the narrator or text-to-speech control. You're about to switch it off. Make sure your controller is responsive so you can toggle options without exiting the menu. You now locate the narrator entry and move the selector to off. Press it to toggle. If you encounter a submenu of voices or speech levels, set each to off or reduce volume to 0, then back out to the main menu. Make sure to hit apply or save when prompted, because some builds require confirmation. Once done, test quickly by unpausing. The spoken narration should stop. If you still hear speech, retrace steps to check for a secondary in-game setting. Finish by resuming play and intentionally opening a menu to confirm narration is gone. You should hear nothing. If the voice continues, sign out and back into your profile, restart the game, and recheck the setting. Sometimes state doesn't save until restart. Also confirm the Xbox system narrator is disabled in console settings ease of access. That system-level narrator can override game options. If settings refuse to stick, update Minecraft.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.